Hi everyone, my name is Nashwa Mandasari with NPM 2501033. Have you ever wondered what it actually takes to turn a passion for baking into a highly profitable business? Today, we are diving into something incredibly exciting with our presentation, mini testing, budgeting, planning for a cake shop. Our main theme for this video is Sweet Business, Smart Finance. Because let's be honest, baking the perfect, delicious cake is an art, but managing the money behind it, that is where the real magic happens. In this video, we're going to break down how a well-crafted financial plan can help your small bakery grow into a booming success. So make sure you stick around until the end and let's get started. Before we jump straight into the slide and look at the numbers, let's talk a little bit about why a mini prestige business is such an awesome compared to being wide. When we say mini prestige, we are talking about small, bite-sized happiness, things like cupcakes and cookies that people can easily grab on their way to work or order for special events. The beauty of this business is that it don't require a messy restaurant store. You can literally start it from a small kiosk or even your own kitchen at home. Plus, pastry is one of those things that people always have room for, whether they celebrating a birthday or just having a rough day and needing a certain treatment. But there's this case because their productions are small, it's super easy to lose track of cost if you are careful. That is why combining the sweetness of baking with the smartness of financial planning is what truly smartness at hobby from a highly successful business. Now, keeping that in mind, let's see how the actual planning works. Today, we are going to talk about what a budget really is. A budget is basically a detailed financial plan that estimates how much money you will make and spend over a specific period, whether it is monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Interestingly, the word itself comes from an old French word meaning small bag or pause. In modern business, a budget acts like a rendezvous that helps companies location return wisely, avoid running out of cash, and make sure they are spending aligns with their actual goals. It is highly crucial because it drives financial discipline to prevent wasted. Guidance research election to put money where it matters most, help in profit projection to estimate future earnings, and several as a profit review through comparison real rules against planned targets. Now, let's take a look at the actual monthly income breakdown for a small kiosk business which sells pastry, cakes, and cookies on a daily basis. Our business revenue generation comes from cupcake and muffin sales, bringing in 2 million rupiah from around 200 pieces sold. This is probably considered by costing and pastry sales and 1.5 million rupiah, and while cake order which contribute 1.2 million rupiah, we also make 100 rupiah from our cake and brownies box, and other 700 rupiah from custom of event cakes, bringing our total monthly income to actual 6.2 million rupiah. The best part of this number is that we are operating at a very healthy rate to present net profit margin, which means our actually monthly net profit comes out at the million rupiah 124,000 rupiah after counting down all the. Moving on to our monthly spending, our total expense add up to 4,576,000 rupiah. If we look at the business chunks, red or kiosk fees take up the retail share at 1,200,000 rupiah, which is about 26% of our pie chart, followed by labor cost for a part-time shopper at 700,000 rupiah. For the baking ingredients themselves, we spend 600,000 rupiah on butter, egg, and dairy, alongside 500,000 rupiah for flour, sugar, and baking basic. The rest goes into running the shop monthly, including 400,000 rupiah for kitchen electricity like gas and electric, 300,000 rupiah for packaging and box, and 250,000 rupiah for direction and toppings. We also keep small action for marketing, delivery, equipment, mindset, and anti-immigration contingency fund to make sure everything sells within our budget. Before we move on to the next slide, let's take a look at the big picture of our financial budget. This visual comparison clearly shows how our monthly income of 6.2 million rupiah stand against our monthly spending of 1.58 million rupiah wage left used with a solid net profit of 1.62 million rupiah as monthly when we counted the K business margin so at the bottom this given use at a profit margin of 26.2% with Tencent consistent number. Our payback period is expected to be around just 4 months, and our return on investment for the first year hits around 4%. Tencent makes proven that our business is highly profited, and with that in mind, let's step into our next discussion. This is my business target. And this is 5-year financial growth project. Officially, close our presentation, let's wrap everything up with the conclusion. Based on this well financial plan, our Minipasti business is different and Swiss and hidden promising entrepreneur allocation with a solid financial foundation. And that brings you to the end of our presentation of mini percent budgeting planning for a cake shop. Hope today's breakdown show you that behind everything single sweet business, there always need to be smart finance, keeping the oven running and the profit growing. Remember, managing your money doesn't mean resenting your creativity. It's actually the secret ingredient that giving your bakery the freedom to expand. Thank you so much for watching. Keep baking with passion, plan with intention, and I will see you guys the next video. Bye bye.